Asia market open. Bitcoin holds near $92,000 as strong Nvidia earnings calm AI jitters. Asia. Bitcoin. Crypto market. Asian tech stocks jumped after Nvidia's Jensen Huang touted booming AI chip demand, easing fears of an AI bubble and lifting markets in Japan, South Korea and Taiwan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 52 minutes ago. Bitcoin held near $92,000 in Asian trading on Thursday, steadying after a bruising stretch, while a powerful tech-led rally swept across regional stock markets on the back of strong Nvidia earnings and easing fears of an AI bubble. The token traded in a tight range as some dip buyers returned, but crypto volumes stayed cautious with traders still wary of macro risk and the next batch of U.S. data. The dollar edged higher ahead of a long-delayed jobs report, keeping risk appetite contained even as equities bounced. Market snapshot. Bitcoin, $92,512, up 2.3%. Ether, $3,035, up 1.2%. XRP, $2.14, up 0.1%. Total crypto market cap, $3.23 trillion, up 1.9%. Saylor insists Bitcoin is growing stronger despite recent market turbulence. This week, Michael Saylor, executive chairman of strategy, pushed back on fears that Wall Street's growing role in Bitcoin has made the asset wilder. Speaking to Fox Business, Saylor argued that Bitcoin's price swings have actually narrowed over time as institutional adoption has increased. "We are getting a lot less volatility," he said, adding that Bitcoin is stronger than ever. AI chip optimism fuels Asia equity surge with Japan and Korea leading gains. Equity markets took their cue from Nvidia. Tech-heavy markets in Japan, South Korea and Taiwan led the charge after Chief Executive Jensen Huang talked up powerful demand for the firm's AI chips from major cloud providers and brushed aside worries about an AI bubble. MSCI's broad index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose about 1.2%, rebounding from a one-month low, while futures linked to the S&P 500 climbed roughly 1.3%. Wall Street had already snapped a four-day losing streak on Wednesday, as investors began to question whether the latest anxiety over AI valuations had gone too far. Japan's Nikkei 225 index jumped around 3.2% and South Korea's Kospi surged about 2.6%, fueled by sharp gains in chipmakers and tech suppliers tied to Nvidia's boom. Names such as Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix and Advantest rallied between 4% to 9% in local trade. SoftBank Group gained about 3.5% even after fully exiting its stake in Nvidia in October, reflecting the broader bid for tech risk. Weakness in Chinese tech and EV names leaves Hong Kong trailing regional gains. Not every market joined the party. Hong Kong's Hang Seng slipped around 0.1%, and a key mainland gauge erased an earlier rise of roughly 0.7% to trade flat, with losses in electric vehicle makers and mixed moves in Chinese tech firms. Xiaomi continued to fall after signaling higher global smartphone prices because of rising chip costs, while worries about slowing EV demand after the expiry of subsidies kept pressure on the sector. Attention now turns back to Washington. Investors are waiting for September's delayed jobs report, due later in the global session, to gauge the health of the U.S. labor market and the Federal Reserve's next steps. Minutes from the Fed's October meeting, released on Wednesday, showed policymakers cut interest rates while warning that moving too far could risk entrenched inflation and a loss of public trust in the central bank. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Why is Tether so profitable, and will it last? XRP price prediction. Millions vanish from XRP funds, are institutions quietly dumping before a bigger crash? Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Nvidia earnings report today. Wall Street braces for Q3 results. Will Nvidia beat expectations? Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. European banking giant goes all in on ETH tech. Is ETH the future of finance? 12 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 42% of holders are losing money. How low can XRP fall? 7 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 hour ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.